everybody, how are you? I'm here with 3 things. I'm going to go over my winners. I have a project share and I have a small AliExpress haul. Small, very small, because you know that stuff comes in dribs and drabs. So yesterday I announced the winners of my giveaway that was from the month of July when we were doing that collab where girls just want to have fun. Now these were the giveaways. This was the first giveaway, so this is gonna go to Metal Scrapping Chick. She gets this. So congratulations. I haven't checked my email, so I'm not sure if you actually sent me your address, but congratulations. Second prize goes to the Tiny Crafter, which is the Traveler's Notebook. Congratulations. All right. I know she knows that she won. And this one's a sweet one. This one goes to Linda Crespo. So girls, I want to say thank you for participating, for joining me, for always being there, and for being my chicas. I love you all, and I just want to say thank you. And I will be getting these in the mail. I was hoping that they'd get in the mail today, but I will go check my emails. I was busy. I have been crafting all day, but that'll be soon. And I'll explain. Look at my hands. That's ink. That's Tim Holtz ink. All right, so now moving on to, I think I need a piece of white paper, to my AliExpress haul. Look at these. Mahalo. Aloha. Look at how stinking cute these all are. My brother lives in Hawaii. My sister was married on a mountaintop in Hawaii, and I was her maid of honor. I think that was back in 1983. That was the last time I've been to Hawaii. So Hawaii's got a place in my heart. And I thought when I saw this, because it had the word mahalo, I had to get it. So I can't wait to make cards with this one. Then look at this one that I found. Look at the police car, my hero. I've got your G. It's all fun and games until the cops show up. There's a canine, handcuffs. Look at how stinking cute these are. A girl cop, a boy cop, a bad boy cop, a bad boy. Oh, there's no bad girl, huh? You've been caught. How stinking cute are these? A good friend will bail you out of jail, but a true friend will be sitting next to you saying, "That was so much fun. Thanks for bailing me out. It's all fun and games." Gosh, look at this. I can't believe I found this. Okay. Then this one is so cute because there's a girl, and when she's holding the balloons, you can't see her. You just know she's there. And then this is a sign that she would be holding, like in front of her face, and then you stamp in the sayings. So I love that one. And then, if you don't know this, my family and I own a 1947 beautiful red pickup truck that we restored ourselves. So this is gonna be my cute little red pickup truck. And with the red pickup truck, you can add all of these things into the back of it. Barrels and flowers. I don't know what everything is. More flowers, apples. Oh, a tree. Pumpkins, gifts. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to play with this. So this were my stamps. And then I picked up I guess it's a yo-yo, you know, little balls of yarn. Yo-yos, right? Yarn balls? I don't know. What the heck are they called? And I can't think. Pom-poms. Hello. These are from AliExpress too, so I have to try them. I don't know how to work it, but I figure I can learn. I can learn. Directions don't look so hard. So I'm going to probably be doing a video on that. When? I have no idea. No idea. Okay, now for the project share. You guys, Shar, Sparkling Shar, if you don't know who she is, please go check out her channel and sub her. Shar did this for the Girls Just Want to Have Sun collab also, and she inspired me to make this. It is so darn easy to make, so fun. Let me show you something. Hold on. I printed out the tutorial, and now for the life of me, I don't know what I did with it. Okay, can't show you the tutorial. Wow, lose things so quickly. Alright, never mind. Don't worry about that. Ready? I made a backpack. Look. Look at how... I know, there's not enough room on my desk. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can go up. Look at this. It's got the pocket with a magnet. I added some of my metal bling, which I absolutely love working with. This here also has a magnet. I can't open that one yet, that's last. There is another pocket, just like a real backpack. Some more bling. Look at the straps, how cute. I distressed them and I tried to break up the fibers in the paper. And then it has that little hook. And then look at my feet. I put my metal feet on. Aren't they cute? Now this was just craft cardstock. Okay, this is this. And I thought that I was gonna just follow the tutorial and use it as a, you know, learning experience. But then I was like, oh my God, I have a saddlebag that looks just like this. Not like a backpack, but this distressed look. And I wanted to make this look like my saddlebag. Okay, let me tell you something. Shar linked the tutorial. I'll link it also. I wish I could show you. I don't know what I do with it. Okay, stop rambling, Don. But now, so this here makes it look like she's holding a little fan, right? Isn't that cute? Then that's another piece of my metal. Not gonna do that. Then I added a little bling right there. I didn't want to go too crazy. So then when you open it up, oh my God, Shar, thank you. Working with paper and building things like this, they make me extremely happy. Ready? Open it up, and inside of it, I made a matching traveler's notebook. There's actually 3 magnets on this, just to hold it closed. So, let me get rid of this. Maybe you could see it better. There we go. So this traveler's notebook was made from the same paper, obviously. And Linda Goss, the Happy Crafter, I like the way she does her 1-inch binding. My traveler's notebooks, I usually do 3 score marks, but I'm really liking this one. It just gives it a book feel. So this was my old way of doing it. This is now going to become my new way of doing it. Absolutely love it. So I added 1 dangle, which is a key. And on here, look at how cute. I just added another girl's face. I think that other girl is on here somewhere. I her face is this girl's face. All right. Then this paper had a letter. There were 2 letters on here. See, like they have W. I don't know what these 2 letters were, but I was like, it wasn't a D for Donna, so get rid of it. So this was a journaling card I had, and I decided to cut it out and distress it. And it says, the path of life takes us in many directions, but we will always remember where we began. Isn't that cute? Then this was a Dollar Tree sticker, and so was this one. And they just covered up some spots on here that I didn't want. This is also a Dollar Tree sticker. Isn't this adorable? All right, so let's go on to the inside. Sorry about the glare. Okay. I made this really cute bookmark. I love the vintage look. And if it's a book bag, you need a bookmark. I just put some extra paper in here. I didn't distress it. And I added some pocketbooks. I feel like I'm not in frame. I did add a shaker. Some bling. This is from Cartabella's paper. I added some other paper. And this first one will be plain blank paper. How cute, right? Then this is the back of the shaker. This is my little pen holder. Isn't that cute? This is also a Dollar Tree sticker. And I love making these pens that are flowers. Love them. Then in here, I added some stickers, a weekly planner, and I kept the color. I didn't upcycle this. I didn't do that. I figured I really liked the way the burgundy matched the wood. The antique-y look. Then there's some tags, flag stickies, and just another thing of stickies. And then what I did do is I took this notebook and I covered it. And I took a Stampin' Up stamp and I just stamped it. I also distressed it with the Tim Holtz, which I don't know. I think it was Vintage Photo. I think everything here is Vintage Photo. And then I made a little folder, pocket folder, and I added that. How cute. And this is some washi that I don't remember who sent it to me. Somebody sent it to me. And that is it. How cute is this little TN? I am loving this. And the little bling is on the inside of the laminate. Well, this is my quick little project share, my giveaway, and my knapsack. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you all real soon. Bye, my chicas.